with the presentation part, I am sure that we all are known about Purvankara, and it is one of the signature project which is there in East Pune. The name of the project is Purva Silver Sands, and there we are coming up with our upcoming phase, which is Emerald Bay. So, as we have a legacy of 45 years in the market with almost top four real estate developer in India, we are the very first developer in Pune who are in the constructions with limited to the limited company, the listed company, and the construction which has been given by us is also for a listed company. That is Capacite, JLL, and L&T are the only construction companies who take care of our construction. So that says that what is the construction quality is going to get delivered. We have almost our strong presence in Bangalore, which is south of India. So we have many projects in Bangalore, Chennai, Kochi, Kerala, Coimbatore. So these are the major legacy points which we have created our brand there. So we also have project in rest of the part like Goa. In Pune, we have came up with one of the west location, that is Baudhan. Even we have a upcoming plan to come in Chembur. We have project in Goa as well. So this is how the global presence of Purvankara is there in the market. So if we talk specifically about the presentation is oriented to the Silver Sands area, I believe I'm sure you must be knowing Keshav Nagar as an area and how it has been developed in last 10 years. Means for giving you the small example, 5 to 6 years back, 2 BHK rent of Keshav Nagar was 10,000. Now it is not less than 28 to 30,000. So this is how Keshav Nagar is developed in terms of residential hub. So the project is exactly next to river. It is located in 19.52 acres where the 13 towers are there. From which our first phase is already we are about to deliver our first phase, which is Silver Sands, and we are upcoming with the new phase, which is Purva Emerald Bay. And the position of my current phase will be exactly November 21. My upcoming phase, Emerald Bay, it is exactly March 24. Yeah, so if we talk about the master plan, if you can see, it is exactly the golden colors building highlighted, building number 2, 3, and 11, which is this, and this are the part of my Emerald Bay, and rest almost 70% of building belongs to this thing, Silver Sands. So this is what the existing inventory is, as we are very happy to tell that Purvankara is being a Purvankara Silver Sands is being a success model for Purvankara, as our almost 80 to 85% of inventory is sold out, from which 2 BHK comfort is 100% sold out. So that is one of the biggest uh, pinpoint where you can always look after to the upcoming 2 BHK comfort which are there in Emerald Bay. So almost 80-85% of our inventory is sold out, and you have a backup of almost 700 clients who have already purchased their home, their dreams with Purvankara. So this is my first phase, which is Silver Sand, where you can see this is an actual photograph of our presentation. Means for our site, which has been mentioned in the presentation, is the actual photograph of the building, stating that the building is are almost 85 to 90% complete. And as per the communication with Capacite, we are just about to deliver the phase, and we are launching our phase 2 now. So there are three videos which will be followed by the location, the amenities video, and we have another project in Bangalore, that is at Mayanti Tech Park, which is Purva Palm Beach. So that is a live video which we have created. Would like to take your 10 to 15 minutes of time. Would just like to understand if you have any queries while going through the video as well. I'm playing the video of the location to make to understand where my project is exactly located. Situated in eastern Pune, Mundwa is emerging as one of the prime residential feeder locations for the business district of Kharadi. Blessed with natural scenic beauty of the Mulla River in the north and the placement of its geographical location, the residential scenario of Mundwa is quite promising. The Pimpri Chinchwad Municipal Corporation and the Pune Municipal Corporation are set to roll out the 162-kilometer Pune Ring Road plan, costing 10,408 crore rupees. This will help decongest traffic for Kharadi and Mundwa.
15-kilometer elevated corridor 2 of the proposed Pune Metro Project Phase 1, led by the Pune Municipal Corporation, will connect Ramwadi to Vanas via Mangalwarpet and Deccan Gymkhana with an extension to Kharadi. It is expected to cost 2,593 crore rupees and will lead Mundwa to easy connectivity with the key nodes of the city. India's fourth upcoming World Trade Center, spread over 20 acres, located at the gateway of Pune's eastern IT corridor, Kharadi, with a development size of 1.6 million square feet, will house a mix of small, mid-sized corporate and single-client built-to-suit facilities, thus being one of the biggest commercial properties in Kharadi, Pune. The flyover planned near Mundwa and the road planned behind Khorpadi will give the residents of Mundwa direct access to Magarpata city and the MG Road. Mundwa has seen substantial development in both the residential as well as the commercial segment recently, showing a judicious mix of residential, business, leisure, and support services. The government has given a nod at the 634 crore rupees project for cleaning up of the Mulamutta River. 85% of the project cost will be funded by the Japan International Cooperation Agency, JICA. This will show a greater appreciation in value of the properties on the side of the Mulamutta River over the years. The 0.75-kilometer bridge that is planned to be built over the Mulamutta River by the Pune Municipal Corporation and the state authorities will connect Mundwa to Kharadi in a jiffy, thus creating a greater demand for housing in the Mundwa area. The growth of Mundwa is much promising and can be compared to what Powai in Mumbai or Hebbal in Bangalore has experienced over the last 5 to 7 years. Puravankara is now set to change the landscape of Pune. By Mundwa, by Puravankara. Purva Silver Sands, Mundwa, Pune.
So this is the location. So this was a location video which we have came up with to understand how is the location of Purva Silver Sands is all about. Now here that is a basic concept which I want to tell you is Emerald Bay. So Emerald Bay is one of the tower which is the niche tower which we have came, that is tower number 2, 3 and 11. And as you must be knowing, Purvankara comes up with the theme based project only. So I'm going, there is a presentation, it is a part of presentation where we are going to show you the video of Purva Palm Beach, which is exactly, it is next to Mayanti Tech Park, Bangalore. So the main part of this is our the cozy theme based project. So these are cozy homes which you will be getting inside. And secondly, it is going to be almost 88% of land par. So we are the only developers in Pune who is claiming on the paper that we are 88% open, and more than almost 50% of space is just given for the experiences. Those are amenities. So would like to take your attention on the amenities which we are providing with the lifestyle which you're going to get inside the project. So before that, I would like to tell you the orientation of the tower which we are launching. That is, if you see, this is tower number 2, 3 and 11, which is the part of my Emerald Bay and which is going to be the part of the launch. Now I'm going to play the experience video which you're going to experience. It is as good as a resort where you will be living in your desired home. Hello, I believe we all have seen the amenities video. Amit ji, am I audible?
Yes, yes,
Great,
sir. We are
great,
able to
great.
hear you.
And I'm sure that we must be amazed with the amenities which we are going to get, the experience which we are going to get inside, because we are the only developer in Pune who is giving Waveful inside. It is as good as the resort where you will be living your daily lifestyle, the upgrade of lifestyle which you will be getting for yourself and for your family if you are choosing Purvankara.
Then query number 70581629.
So coming on to the point of the another main concept is this is what our Purva Palm Beach is all about. I would just like to show you the actual live video of our project. So it is going to be a replica right now. Exactly more than 400 happily living families are staying over there who have choose their dreams, who have choose their desire home with Purvankara. So this is the live video which we are having right now in front of us. It is of Purva Palm Beach. It is a live video. You can just have a look of it. This is how the same silver sand is going to be, the emerald bay is going to be in Pune as well. So this is a wave pool. So this is an example how perfectly designed our clubhouse is. So this is the amazing view in the evening which we will be having at Purva, Silver Sands, Emerald Bay as well. So I'm sure you must have visualized now how our East Pune Purvankara Silver Sand is going to be a landmark. So coming on to the point of Emerald Bay, it is a very flexible payment plan which we will be having. So right now you don't have to go with even our project is 25% completed and we are onto the launch stage, but our construction is already started. So the plan is very simple. You don't have to go much in hurry, or rather you don't have to pay upfront any money. We have tie-ups with banks with L&T as well, where you have a scheme of 90-10, where you can pay 10% right now and 90% after the 90% of construction as well. And the payment slab is very flexible, having said just 20% right now. Then the next slab is directly on February, that is February 21, which will be 5%, followed by that May 5%. and this is how it is going to be till March 24. So it is a very relaxing payment plan which will allow you not to strain your current resources and even not to build any pressure on your current resources as well. So first time ever, there is a very exciting concept which we have came up in the market. It is a box pricing. Means when it comes to box pricing, it means it is common for all. Means any guesses which can be taken from your end, any input. What do you think a box pricing can be? Anyone? Hello.
Hello, does anyone would like to answer, Amit, the question of Rishikesh, sir?
I would just like to understand if anyone is having any intention of knowing or even can. It is just a question like, what do you feel? What can be a box pricing?
As sir have given you the details of the project, the location, the builder, and complete presentation of the project, what amenities, what concession type we are giving. So we will like to request you all to give your quote price, or what can be the price of a product. It's very reasonable actually.
Sure, Amitji. I was just trying to understand if anyone is exciting about the pricing so that we can reveal the box pricing which we are having. Any which ways, I believe they are every customer over here is so interested. They just want to see the pricing and they don't want to say right now anything to us. They're just saying show the price, Rishikesh. Now everything is there. So let's go for the very exciting thing which we all are waiting for. Let's open the box pricing and it has been here for you. So you go for any floor, any view. So this is very exciting which we have came up with. So it is any floor, any view, same price. And this is what is the pricing will be. So if you are going for, let's say, 2 BHK comfort, which will be somewhere around 899 sellable area, then it is exactly the pricing is 6199 plus government taxes. If we are going for 2 BHK grand, then 6845 is what your agreement value will be. If we are choosing 3 BHK comfort, then 9145 is what your agreement value will be. And if we are going for 3 BHK grand, which is the only variant, I believe there is hardly a product in East Pune, Keshav Nagar, where 1300 big size 3 BHK grand is available with anybody. So that is the part Amit ji will surely tell you how the fascinating and upfront a good layout it is when it comes to 3 BHK grand, and even it is a niche product. There are only 48 units in Emerald Bay which we have opened. Rest you will get the same. Even if you want to see the project, you can. You are most welcome to come at our sales office, and we will show you the actual flats as well if you want to have a actual tangibility of the product. So this is how the box pricing is. You go for the floor, you go for the view. 6199 is what includes all other than the government taxes which you will be having and maintenance charges. So this is how Amit ji, what do you feel? How is the pricing, Amit ji?
It's very reasonable and very attractive actually.
Yeah,
And,
yeah, yeah.
and we hope the all the joiners, all the interested people will soon visit and grab the opportunity.
Sure, Amit, sure. And even I believe all the customers are in direct contact with you. So I would just request you that you can just take a screenshot of this presentation and share it to them, understanding what is box pricing. And it is only applicable for the pre-launch. It is
Yes.
only applicable for the time where we are launching it. Once we are launching it, exactly the price will be increasing on 200 per square feet.
Also, I would like to add one more thing.
Please, Amitji, please.
I have interest. I have asked in chat to give the joiners name and numbers. I request you all who are interested to give their name and numbers so that we can give you a proper follow up and arrange a pickup draw for a site visit.
Yes, yes, definitely, definitely. So in a chat box, if you can mention your number, if you can mention your name, email address, anything which you want so any contact number which where we can connect you to give you the pickup and drop services from our end. We are open to, even today is Sunday, if you have some time where you can come out and have a site visit for 1 hour, even Amit ji would be helping you, and even we are there to take care of you at the site.
Great, great, very nice.
Yeah, and there is one more thing which is up and about to this, and that is the 25,000 gold voucher. If that is the very fascinating thing which Purvankara has provided. So additional 25,000 rupees discount will be provided to the customer who will be doing their registration on 20 before on or before 27th of October 2020. Now this is very interesting thing, that you are getting the box pricing plus if doing the registration before 27th, you are going to get the Tanishq voucher, or even if you don't want it, we can redeem it from your cost as well. It is all up to you.
Oh, very nice, very nice. Great.
So you
So,
can always contact to one of our very great support at Purvankara, that is Mr. Amit Agarwal ji. The number is always being here. So if at all you are not able to give your details here, you can just note down his number, Amit ji's number, and you can contact him. So this is how it has been from my side, being a Purvankara representative. I would like to understand if you have any queries, any questions regarding the presentation which we have gone through, or any additional information which you want from me. If at all, we can just keep the session open for next 5 minutes. Please, if it is any questions, anything, any queries, I am open here to answer you everything.
किसी को कुछ क्वेश्चंस है, कुछ क्वेरीज है, कुछ डाउट्स है, तो वी रिक्वेस्ट आप हमें प्लीज पूछ सकते हो, so that we can answer it. All the joiners, please.
हेलो
Hello, sir. Hello. Hi, Ramakant ji. Hi, hello.
मैं ये पूछ रहा था कि जैसा बीच कॉन्सेप्ट बताया, तो बीच कॉन्सेप्ट क्या है इसमें बेसिकली?
सर बेसिकली अगर आपने जो अपना वीडियो है पूर्वा पाम बीच का, वो अगर आपने अभी देखा होगा, दैट इज अ लाइव वीडियो. सो वी आर गिविंग पाम आइलैंड इनसाइड. यू हैव अ वेव पूल. So more than 60 to 65% of the experiences which you are going to get inside are of water bodies, and you get the volleyball sandpit court. So Purvankara is known for making a theme based project. So the theme which we have given to Purva Silver Sands, I am sure you can understand with the name that Purva Silver Sands, something related to sands, which is Purva Silver Sands and Emerald Bay. So that is going to be on a theme which are cozy theme based homes.
So what I will do, रमाकांत, मैं आपको कुछ वीडियोस भेज रहा हूँ, व्हाट्सएप कर रहा हूँ, आप उसको देख सकते हो.
हाँ, वो मेरे को वीडियो व्हाट्सएप कर देना.
बिल्कुल.
दूसरा मैं ये पूछ रहा था अमित. हेलो.
हाँ जी.
रेलवे स्टेशन से साइट कितना दूर पड़ता है बाय कार?
Exactly 7.1 kilometer.
7.1 kilometer. Okay.
Yes.
It's very reasonable, uncle. 7 kilometer is nothing in Pune, and you are going from the very good areas. Miss area Koregaon Park is coming in between. Miss Koregaon Park से वहाँ से 2 किलोमीटर है और मेरे साइड से सिर्फ 4 किलोमीटर है. You can really think for a project, sir. Okay.
ठीक है ना, ठीक. ओके, थैंक यू.
मैं वीडियो भेज रहा हूँ आपको.
Thank you, Ramakant ji. Thank you so much. It was nice talking to you.
थैंक यू.
Anyone else have any questions, any queries, any doubts? Please ask.
Amit ji.
हाँ.
Yeah. First of all, congratulations. Rishikesh sir, आपको भी बहुत बहुत बधाई. You have given a very nice presentation.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you so much.
And then I'm sure as an investor, this is a very good project. Can you just emphasize on the 90-10 the scheme you said about the payment?
Exactly.
Just more details about it.
Sure, sure. I would just request you if you can come on to the side, we will discuss with on the paper. But coming on to the
Because-
point at my end, I'll just explain you. We are having the tie-up with L&T where 10% of agreement value will be paid upfront. Remaining 90% will be done after the 90% of construction.
Great. So up to that time, we don't have to pay anything.
No, no, no.
Not any interest on the loan, anything like.
No, no. 1090 is the scheme which is given by L&T for this only, sir.
Very great, because this will help us to invest more. Like if I'm planning for one flat, I can put 2 or 3 also for that.
Sure, sir, sure. That is why it is the scheme for the basically for the one who are having their own rental, but to take a house by having not the great pressure on their resources, or even for the investors who want to invest but like to invest after the project is 90% complete.
Great, great,
बांध के
great. Thank you
बैठो।
for that. Surely we'll have maximum visits there. Let's see.
Sure, sir.
Thank
Sure.
you.
Okay, then I guess we must end the meeting. If anyone have any questions, we will be glad to give you the answers.
Yes, yes. So what we can do, Amit ji, we have already recording of our presentation, so you can share it with everybody.
कहाँ पे?
And, secondly, we can always
वहाँ
have
यहाँ बैठो क्या?
one-to-one conversation where everyone can come to our site, and there we can discuss face to face with the concerns and with the questions which they must be having, and giving them the actual tangibility of the product. Okay, Amit ji.
Yes, sir, very correct.
Yeah, okay. So it was nice meeting with you, everybody. Thank you for showing your interest with Puravankara. I would be glad to meet you at site. My name is Rishikesh. Amit ji knows me. If anything is there, we can directly meet on site as well. It was a nice and pleasure talking to you all. Thank you so much, and have a good day ahead.
Yes, yes. Thank you. Thank you all.
Thank you so much, Rishikesh.
Thank you.
Thank you.
इधर डाल भाई